Unlocking the mystery. What does "I need a pit stop" really mean? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in everyday conversations. I need a pit stop. What does this phrase actually mean, and how can you use it correctly? Stay with us to unlock the mystery of this popular expression. The phrase, "I need a pit stop," originates from auto racing, where a pit stop is a quick stop in the pit area for refueling, new tires, repairs, or mechanical adjustments. However, outside of racing, this phrase has taken on a more general meaning. When someone says, "I need a pit stop," they are usually indicating that they need to take a short break, most commonly to use the restroom. But it's not limited to bathroom breaks. This phrase can also mean someone wants to take a moment to rest, grab a snack, or even pause for a quick errand. The key here is the notion of a brief pause from the current activity or journey. To understand how to use this phrase in everyday English, let's look at a few examples. 1. On a road trip, we've been driving for hours. I need a pit stop at the next rest area. 2. During a meeting or class. Before we dive into the next topic, I need a quick pit stop. Let's reconvene in 5 minutes. 3. While running errands, I need a pit stop at the grocery store before we head home. 4. In casual conversations, excuse me, I need a pit stop. Can you hold my bag for a moment? These examples show the versatility of the phrase, demonstrating that it can be used in various situations where a short break is needed. It's important to note that while "I need a pit stop" is a casual and widely understood phrase, its appropriateness can depend on the context and the company you're in. In informal settings, with friends or family, it's perfectly fine. In more formal situations, you might choose a more direct and specific phrase to communicate your needs, such as, "Excuse me, where can I find the restroom?" Or, "May I take a short break?" Understanding the cultural nuances and the setting in which you use certain phrases is crucial in effective communication. And there you have it. "I need a pit stop" is a handy, informal phrase to express the need for a brief break, most commonly a restroom break. Like many expressions borrowed from specific contexts, in this case, auto racing, it has found a place in everyday language, showcasing the dynamic and evolving nature of English. We hope this explanation helps you feel more confident using this phrase in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.